Morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a great day so far. Let's get right into it. So, we're going to start off with a which one doesn't belong. Figure out which of these pictures does not belong for you. Hit pause while you're thinking of that and come up with a reason as to why. Okay, so a couple different things that you could have done here. I'm not going to go through every reason why something doesn't belong, but just two off the top of my head. Or you could have thought about, okay, well, this one doesn't belong. This one doesn't belong because all of these have a volume of 4. This one has a volume of 8, right? 2 by 2 by 1, that's 4. 1 by 2 by 2, that's 4. 1 by 4 by 1, that's 4. 2 by 2 by 2, that's 8. So that one could possibly be the one that doesn't belong. You could have also said that this one doesn't belong because in all these other shapes, at the base has a dimension of 2. Might not be a 2 and a 2, but they have at least 1 2 in the base. This is a 4 and a 1 on the base. So that could be one that does not belong. So this is going to be the basis of your um, activity today. We're going to do an activity called Clue, right, at Love Creek. So based on the board game, you're going to try to figure out who committed a murder at school, using what, and where they did it. Um, it's based on the which one doesn't belong. So if I pull it up real quick, you've got a which one doesn't belong for who did it, right? So they've got these 4 pictures. You decide which one doesn't belong and what your reasoning is. Then you come down here, okay, where did they do it? Again, figure out which one doesn't belong and what your reasoning is, okay? And then what did they use? Figure out which one that doesn't belong and then find your reasoning. And then you're going to go into Flipgrid and explain why your answer is what it is. So I might say that I think it was Mr. McCracken on the playground with the deadly toilet paper. And then I go, I think Mr. McCracken did it because this one doesn't belong because this reason. The playground doesn't belong because this reason. The deadly toilet paper doesn't belong because this reason. And then that's your Flipgrid, right? That's your assignment for today. I also want you to go into Dreambox for at least 15 minutes today. All right. When you're on Dreambox, you could be working on that division assignment from last week. Remember, it's the one with that blue sticker in that left corner of it. It should be something like division of fractions. And then, or you could just be playing around on other activities. But please remember, you should be on there for 15 minutes. I will be looking on my end, guys. I can see who is on and how long you are on. All right, so some of us have really been killing it in terms of the amount of time. It's been awesome to see how much you've been doing it. Um, but please make sure you're on there at least 15 minutes. I will be looking. I also have office hours today from 10 to 11. So if you have any questions about any of this, please make sure to come. You know you can message me on Schoology. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye.